Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Pizza Pen puzzle.
This puzzle was designed by Theo Gehring and Simon Havinga. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is to fit all 7 pizza pieces into the square frame. At first glance, it looks easy. We just move 5 pieces on a side and then add 2 more pieces. One fits quite easy and then we fit another one, but as you can see, it is not so easy. You can still don't have enough space to fit the piece, so you have to rearrange all pieces and find a way how you can fit all 7 of them inside the frame. This is a 3D printed puzzle and it requires a little bit of assembling before solving it. You may say, what assembling? There are just pizza pieces. What else can you assemble here? But the puzzle comes with a pizza without any ingredients, and you have to glue the salami, olives and mushrooms on top of the pizza pieces, and then you have this beautiful pizza with all the ingredients and you can try to solve it. But while solving this puzzle you might need a real pizza to eat, since it looks really delicious, so make sure that you are not hungry when solving the puzzle. If you like the Pizza Pen puzzle and you want to buy it and try to solve it by yourself, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.